Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today is your favorite Dior unboxing and this is my favorite as well. So we are doing Dior Beauty unboxing and I know a lot of you are so excited about this kind of video, especially when I unbox Dior. I get so much good response for you and I'm very excited because this time I got some newly launched products from Dior Beauty and really excited to try these products out, and let's see what I got. First of all, look at this. Look at this packaging this time because I ordered it during the Lunar New Year season, so I think I got this beautiful box. I had no idea this box is going to be so gorgeous. A red box, first time. Happy, and we're going to see what we have here because I have bought the newly launched product this time. Obviously I am most excited, so let's see what we have. Let's try out this on my cheeks and see how this is called Lilac Mania, and it's a limited edition. Let's try this out on my face. Lilac season is going on and I'm so excited to try this beauty. I already damaged this part. That is lovely, very subtle. Don't really see anything crazy going on, but so beautiful. You see the little shine, it's very beautiful. This is very subtle. I think this is so beautiful. I was not expecting a purple highlighter going to work for my skin. I was really interested to try and see if it really do anything to my skin or what. It is good. It is giving me very beautiful subtle glow, nothing crazy. Love that. Wow, such a subtle highlighter. Ooh, it's blending really nice, like it's highlighting in a very subtle way. I love it.
In the still of the night.
it's just so beautiful. How gorgeous is this little jewelry box? Love, love, love it. So pretty. It's gorgeous. I really want my hands on this one, and I got it. Oh, this is mine. So happy. It's beautiful. Also guys, quickly want to share with you this little diamond necklace. So pretty. Really love it. I'm in love with my linear necklace, and you still have my discount. You can use that and get your hands on this beautiful diamond necklace. It's just so pretty, so small and so sparkly. It's just so beautiful for every day. I feel like this little fragrance is really absolutely beautiful and is going to be really useful. How pretty it looks. This houndstooth design all over. It's just gorgeous and smells so beautiful. Miss Dior. This smells so beautiful. How cool it looks. Do you see the logo at the front? Just love it. There's a logo here. Smells so good. Wow. I love the fact that I can totally carry it in my purse and easy to use. You don't even have to spray and annoy people. Like when you spray, it goes all over and some people don't like it, but this one silently, you can just use it. It's so good. And how beautiful it will look when you will pull it out of your purse. Like it's so beautiful. Can't tell you guys how happy I'm with this little, I probably it's a jewelry box, right? So happy because when first it came out, I didn't use my code. I didn't find anything that I wanted to buy. But I was really missing this one, and one day a code came as well again that I could grab this one. So I was very lucky because you don't always get this kind of like boxes. It was probably the holiday season one, but I still got it like very recently. I'm very lucky. So yeah, so if you are looking for different coupon codes, you can just check TikTok. And also if you are if you're subscribed with Dior website like Dior Beauty, if you keep your mobile notification on as well as your email, they're going to send you different codes at different occasions, different times of the year, so you can easily get these kind of beautiful gifts if you love them, and you can collect these unique products. I love collecting these little unique items from Dior all the time. You have seen me already collecting so many. So I'm really happy and I really enjoy collecting those. If you are like me, use those coupon codes and you get a lot of product to try out as well. I really love shopping from Dior website, even though you cannot really get any discount there, but the total experience is really good. Even though you're not getting any discount from Dior website, but the whole experience is very good, luxurious, and I just feel the total experience. So yeah, hope you really loved it. Let me know what you think about my today's unboxing products. You love them? Are you going to collect anything from Dior recently? Let me know. So I'll be really happy to know what you're buying next from Dior Beauty. Also, I'm really sad that also this one is such a beautiful packaging, but I'm really sad. I cannot believe like I just damaged these parts. Like it's so sad. Even I didn't get any chance to do any Instagram pictures or stuff. I don't know. It's just breaking my heart. I don't know how I just did that. It was an accident. It's okay. So many big things happens in life and this is nothing, right? But still, it's kind of like I was not expecting this to happen. Anyways, that little highlighter, lilac, I need to try it out on my face. Probably will be doing next time. So yeah, if you like this video today, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. And I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.